Welcome to the channel. If you're watching this on your TV right now, sit back and relax. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful and compact audio amplifier that's perfect for home audio projects, DIY speaker systems, and even custom TV sound upgrades. This is the TPA3116D2 2.1 channel digital power amplifier board. Small board, big sound, and if at any point you want to check the exact model I'm using, you'll find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. So, what exactly is this device? This is a 2.1 channel digital audio amplifier board. That means, left speaker, right speaker, one dedicated subwoofer. It uses the TPA3116D2 chip, a very popular and trusted Texas Instruments design, widely used in modern digital amplifiers across the US. This board is designed for clean sound, high efficiency, and low heat. In the US, many people love DIY audio. Garage workshops, home theaters, custom sound systems. This amplifier fits perfectly into that lifestyle. It's compact, it's efficient, and it delivers serious power without complicated setup. If you're building something custom, this board is a smart choice. Let's talk power, but in simple terms. This amplifier delivers 50 watts to the left channel, 50 watts to the right channel, 100 watts to the subwoofer. That's more than enough for living rooms, bedrooms, small home theaters, workshop sound systems, and it runs on DC 12 to 24 volts. You can power this amplifier using a DC power adapter, a battery system, or a regulated power supply. Most people in the US choose a 24 volts DC power supply for best performance. Important tip: always match voltage and polarity correctly. If you're unsure, check the Amazon link below. Many buyers also purchase a compatible power supply there. This board supports 3.5mm audio input, 3-pin audio input. That means you can connect TVs, computers, Bluetooth receivers, streaming devices, perfect for modern American home setups. On the output side, you'll see terminals for left speaker, right speaker, subwoofer. Supports 4 to 8 ohm speakers, which is very common in the US market. This gives you flexibility to use bookshelf speakers, floor speakers, or DIY speakers. Let's talk about sound quality. This amplifier has frequency response, 14 Hz to 100 kHz. Signal to noise ratio, 100 decibels. In simple terms, clear highs, strong mids, deep, controlled bass, perfect for music, movies, and TV audio. One reason Americans love the TPA3116D2 chip is efficiency. This is a Class D digital amplifier. That means less heat, less power waste, smaller heatsink. You get powerful sound without turning your project into a space heater. The board size is 100 by 70 by 30 mm. Small enough to fit into custom enclosures, wooden speaker boxes, DIY electronics projects. Everything is clearly labeled, which makes installation much easier. On the top of the board, you'll find knobs for master volume, bass control, treble control. This allows real-time tuning, perfect for TV viewing environments. You don't need software, just turn the knob and listen. This amplifier is perfect for TV sound upgrades, DIY Bluetooth speakers, garage audio systems, small home theaters, educational electronics projects. If you're building any of these, this board is worth considering. Even if you're not an expert, installation is straightforward. Connect power, connect audio input, connect speakers, power on. That's it. Many first-time buyers on Amazon mention how easy this board is to use. Quick safety tips: always power off before wiring. Double-check polarity. Use proper speaker wire. Doing this keeps your system clean and reliable. TV speakers are often weak. This amplifier lets you add real stereo sound, add deep bass, control volume manually. It transforms the TV experience. The components are solid, quality capacitors, thick PCB, strong terminals. This board is built to last, not disposable. For the price, this amplifier offers high power, clean sound, compact design. That's why it's popular among American DIY audio fans. If you want the exact model shown in this video, don't guess. Right finger click the Amazon link below. You'll get the correct board, buyer protection, fast shipping, and yes, using that link also supports this channel. This amplifier is powerful, reliable, beginner friendly, Whether you're upgrading TV sound or building a custom audio project, this board delivers. If you're watching this on TV right now and thinking, yeah, this is exactly what I need. Don't wait, check the Amazon link in the description below. Get the same amplifier, build your system, and enjoy better sound today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Open black lens bracket. Excellent quality close black lens bracket. Product name: 2.1 channel audio amplifier board. Specification and model: M139. Chip selection: TPA3116D2. Function: close black lens bracket. Power supply voltage: DC 12 to 24 volts. Output power: 50W x 2 plus 100W subwoofer x1. Output load: 4 to 8 ohms. Switching frequency: 1.2 MHz. Widely used close black lens bracket can be used for wiring of breadboard circuits or where power or circuit connections, prototyping circuit, electrical experiments and computer science class experiments. Easy to install close black lens bracket. Frequency response range: 14 to 100 kHz. Signal to noise ratio: 100 decibels. Number of channels: 3, left channel plus right channel plus subwoofer. Package: close black lens bracket 1 PCSTPA3116D2 2x50W 2.1 channel digital 12 volts to 24 volts power 100W amplifier AMP subwoofer. Appearance size: 100*70*30 As we come to the end of this video, I want you to think about something simple. Every great sound system starts with one smart choice. Not something complicated, not something expensive, just something that works, and works well. This TPA3116D2 2.1 channel amplifier board is exactly that kind of choice. It's small, but powerful, simple, but capable, and flexible enough to fit almost any home audio project. Whether you're upgrading your TV sound, building a custom speaker system, or starting your first DIY audio project, this board gives you a strong foundation. What I really like about it is this. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need special tools. You don't need advanced knowledge. You just connect it, power it on, and enjoy clean, powerful sound. That's why so many people in the US are choosing this type of amplifier. Now, if you're watching this on your TV and thinking, yeah, this would be perfect for my setup, I've made it easy for you. Right finger the exact amplifier shown in this video is linked below on Amazon. No guessing, no wrong model, just click the link, check the details, and decide when you're ready. Amazon makes it simple, fast shipping, easy returns, and trusted reviews from real buyers. And full transparency here, when you use the link below, it also helps support this channel, so I can keep bringing you more honest and useful reviews like this one. So take a moment after the video ends. Scroll down, check the Amazon link. Even if you're not buying today, save it for later, because projects like this always start with the right part. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.